Another feature that I would like to mention that Crowdin Enterprise has is workflows. Some may call them chain tasks. This feature allows users to create a sequence of workflow steps that the content should go through. Workflows can be as simple or as complex as you need them to be. Workflow steps can include things like source text review, translation memory or machine translation, pre-translation. It can be review or translation by an in-house team or a vendor, source language switch. It can also include a custom code step, so you can create some custom actions if needed. You can always use unlimited number of workflow steps, and each workflow step can have different languages, different SMEs, different teams assigned. So you can experiment with them and create the workflows based on your specific needs. Let's take an example. For example, if you are translating your mobile app or product UI, your workflow can be pretty simple. You can have a translation and proofreading steps assigned to your vendor and selected, for example, 10 target languages, and that's it. That would be a simple workflow. Let's take a look at another use case. For example, if you are translating a knowledge base, there are some articles that are more popular and some that are less popular. So you might want to translate the most popular articles with your translation vendor. You can assign a translation and proofreading steps, let's say into 10 languages. Then you might have some less frequently visited articles, and you might want to translate them using machine translation and then do some post-editing. And then you can choose 15 target languages because it would be a simpler workflow. Then there would be like the least visited articles, and you can choose, for example, 20 languages and use simple machine translation. Because these are less frequently visited articles, you won't need like the high translation quality. You can just use machine translation. And all this can be automated in Crowdin within one workflow. So you can just create this workflow once, and then the content would flow through the steps you selected. So you won't have to manage that manually. So yeah, this is the beauty of automation.